Alright, welcome to another episode of the Omnitryx. Today we're gonna do something cool. We have our company incorporated, the banks are in process, WISE and TD, everything's been registered. The thing that we need to focus now is our website. What our website is going to look like, and it needs a logo. And I'm not too sure if we need our Instagram, TikTok as well. Maybe we do, maybe we don't. I think that would be something later on in the stage, but a website is definitely needed. Now, I could do two options. I could build the website myself from scratch, host the server, set up AWS, and go that route, but I feel like that's more complex and it's gonna make me lose more money. Or the second and the easier option is to have a built-in template. But how is my website going to look at, and what my logo is going to be? All of that we're going to do it into this video, inshallah. So to give you a big context, this is the website that we built, me and my brother. Kodel, that's his company. Mission, objective, projects, and it's just a simple email. Oh, sorry, simple website. But what I want to do is I want to make sure that we are selling our services in Omnitryx. And what are my services? So I can help people. So it's basically going to be an e-commerce website. So there's going to be a domain where it's going to be shop.omnitrix e-commerce, and the goal is where you can select different items to buy. For example, integration with Stripe. You can select that, or integration with APIs, shop that, or create your own website on my website. This is what I'm aiming at. So first we'll have a landing page, and then we'll have that e-commerce website. So how do we first create a website? Let's go to ChatGPT. So I need to revamp my website. I just picked GoDaddy's template and it looks bad. I want a professional website that looks good and tells us what Omnitryx is all about. I think I just need one page. How do you recommend me going on to build my website? Omnitryx is domain by GoDaddy, if that helps. Just so you're clear, I do have experience in building websites and doing everything from scratch when it comes to building websites and apps and whatnot. But for you guys and for myself as well, the best option is to use a template. And just in case you guys are not a software developer and you're like, and how would you build a website? I think this will be a good learning opportunity for you and for me as well. So revamping is the best company approach. That said, one page, you have three realistic. So using a premium template builder, best for beginners, fast, no coding, can look extremely professional. Webflow, Wix Studio, this is the most common one I've heard. Squarespace. Option 2, hire freelancer. Something we're not going to do. I think when you're starting a company, you should really focus on lowering your expenses. I already have a few expenses already. I'm paying for my domain. Right now it's connected to my personal because I don't have my TD bank account, business account set up. And the second, I'm paying for something else. I just don't remember what it was. I'm not paying for ChatGPT, which is good. I was about to buy it, but so far the free version is doing pretty good. Hire freelancer, build it with real code. Hero, Omnitryx logo, one strong sentence, clean background, learn more. Explaining highlights. What we do, who we are, contact, what I recommend. How does it know my skill level? Use Webflow or Squarespace. So let's look up Webflow. For what do you prefer? Let's go with the most professional. I'm assuming it's going to be a paid option. Create a custom pricing. Let's go to pricing first. Site plans, free starter. Get started building, experimenting, prototyping with AI, free. So domain, 2 pages, 20 CMS, 50 Webflow. Basic, $40 every month. Ideal for blogs, business. Best for marketing with more traffic and enhance enterprise. Yo, let's say, wait, let me tell ChatGPT my end goal. My long term, my goal is to have an e-commerce website as well. So maybe shop.omnitryx.ca. And the goal is where people can put to carts, integrate with AIs, add Stripe to website, and they add to cart, and we take them to Stripe. They pay, and then I reach out to them with help. Is this a good service? Yeah, I think it is. So basically, I want to provide these IT services to my clients. Also, I want to sell my books as well. So maybe I have another page where I am selling my ebook called, or ebooks. Let's just do ebooks together. Just selling my ebooks. And so services, add to Stripe, fix backend, bug. Digital product store, ebooks, template tools, main corporate website, contact portfolios is changing, which below is the best future proof for what Omnitryx is trying to become. Best setup for you. Simple for you, simple, powerful, scalable. Option A is Webflow for main website, plus Lemon Squeezy or Stripe checkout for e-commerce. This is my top recommendation. Why? Beautiful corporate full control. You can do custom pages, digital product selling is easy. You can add services package with buy buttons, no coding required. How it work? You create pages like services API integration, services Stripe installation, then you add a buy button from Stripe checkout, Lemon Squeezy, add to cart, pay. This is like how about agency work, how digital product you will upload your product to Lemon Squeezy or Gumroad, embed buy button onto your customer page, automatically receive download, no coding needed. Shopify. If you want an e-commerce store plus services, this is best. You primarily want e-commerce shops, services sold as products, built-in checkout, apps for automation, a real online store. You can still use shop.omnitrix. Okay, Pro is really easy to manage with non-technical. Built-in payments can sell digital files automatically, can sell. I feel like Shopify is good. Less beautiful for corporate side monthly cost, not as flexible for custom page. And option C is a fully custom Next.js. It's like I can do this, but this is slower to launch. Don't trust me. As a software developer, I know if you're not a software developer, you won't be able to. ChatGPT is not going to help you build it. My recommendation based on your stage. So this is where I'm a bit confused. So I have my domain on GoDaddy, right? Webflow apparently is where I can design and template, but is the hosting being done on Webflow? How is Webflow coming in? Publish to webflow.io, upgrade to publish to a custom domain. So this is where custom domain. So I do have to take this package. 150 pages, no CMS feature. Remind me what CMS is? I think it's client management software. Content management. So it lets you build easier management without coding. What a CMS does, add new pages, add the text, publish ebooks, organize WordPress, Webflow. How is it that the paid version has no CMS features while they're giving me in the free version? Unlimited form submits, 100 GB bandwidth, perfect for landing personal basic. So I do have to get this here. This is a bit monthly there. Let's start for free and see how it goes. Why continue? No, that's not what I meant. I meant see a paid account, add password and full name. I think I should go with a business site first and then e-commerce. Let's see if they have a good template. If they do, I just take the template and call it a day. So even their templates are expensive, not to mention not that good either. No, this is definitely not what I want. I'm gonna stop the video here and think about it a bit more and then come back.